Check out this Dodge 2018 Durango SRT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, Garmin, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.